ESG initiatives, sustainability, and energy cost reduction are top priorities for any building, large and small, new and old, with or without energy experts and building management system. Energy efficiency is much more than only HVAC automation. And it goes far beyond high-level energy consumption analytics. HiPer Power Service is your virtual energy manager who helps achieve and sustain high energy efficiency of any building, old and new, with or without BMS or SCADA. Through real-time big data collection and analytics, as well as hands-on industrial expertise, HiPer Power Service ensures reducing energy costs by up to 20% and getting full transparency of technical operations. It non-intrusively collects real-time big data and identifies energy-saving potential of your building, provides regular recommendations, reports, and real-time notifications in case urgent action is necessary. HiPer Power creates an energy profile and provides a detailed digital trail of energy consumption for both the entire building and any individual energy consumer. HiPer Power links its recommendations to the digital twin to simplify services and maintenance processes in order to improve overall building systems performance. It takes only several days for initial setup. And through achieving savings, HiPer Power pays for itself. Start saving and achieve energy efficiency now with HiPer Power.